Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the RealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Thomas Reviews. We are back again. Let me get this camera angle right. Check this out. This is what I got today. I saw this and I said, man, we already have two I call them ONN. We already have two of these streaming devices because I replaced our Amazon Fire Stick with the ONN streaming device. So I said, okay, well, ONN has a tablet now, and the reviews look good, touchscreen, all that good stuff. So look, right now we have the ONN. This is the 11-inch tablet, 128 gigabyte, has a stylus support and it's reading mode with Gemini, Google Gemini built in. Has Bluetooth, DTS sound, up to 15 hours battery life. So let's get this baby unboxed here. And I think Crystal said she's going to do another video showing basically how to set it up and everything, but this is going to be the unboxing video. This is the ONN tablet, 11-inch tablet. So let's go. So basically what we got here, let's open. Oh, on the back, look what it says right here. Here's the specs. It has Android 16, 1840 by 1280 resolution, touchscreen, 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor with 6 gig of RAM, 128 gigabyte storage. They do have a 256 version too. Has a 2 megapixel front facing camera, 5 megapixel rear facing camera, Google Play Protect, 1 year limited warranty, just like that. So let's go. Let's open this baby up. We back, baby. Thomas Reviews are back. Hey, you guys, make sure you guys, if you guys want to send us anything, make sure you guys send it to I think I gotta update the email address, the RealNesters@gmail. No, yeah, I'm gonna cycle everything through RealNesters@gmail.com. But here we go. There's the box. We're gonna put that back there. Let me see, make sure my light. Y'all see the lighting good? Lighting good? Guess the lighting is good right here. Boom, there it is on the device. Ooh, wait a minute, I can hit it right from. Damn, this thing nice. Ooh, this thing is nice, man. It's filled. Look at it. Got the nice little paper on it. Of course, inside, you got your instruction manual. Nobody reads. It's got a little pin for. Oh, you could put a SIM card in there. Okay, and then it's got the charging cable. That's it. Nothing else in here. Nothing fancy about it. And see here, let's take the paper off there. Listen, ASMSR paper removal. Okay. Epic fail. I'm so strong. Ooh, man, what the hell? Ooh, damn. Look at that. Ooh. This reminds me of an iPad. Damn. Okay, there you can see that. There's the camera right there. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. I guess you hold that. I ain't reading no instructions. Yep. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. ONN there. Okay. Let me see. Where's the volume? So this is the volume. Okay. So basically, yeah. There's the camera on the back right there. Camera. ONN. It's like a bronze color. Okay. So it says hi there. Yep. Of course, we do English, United States English. We hit start. And like I say, she's going to finish up the process of it. Okay. Oh, iPhone or iPad. Okay, you can say, okay. You can set up an iPhone or an iPad. What the? I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay, and okay. So look, you guys, look. You can use this to set up. I thought it was just Android, Google, but you can set it up for iPhone or iPad too. Nice. Okay. So I'm gonna let her set this up. But there it is, you guys. Make sure you guys check it out. Yeah, this is heavy too. I like this. So make sure you guys check it out. This is just the unboxing of the ONN tablet. They got two versions. They got the 128 and the 256. The link will be in the description. Damn, this thing, man. This like bronze is my favorite color too. Oh yeah, damn. All right, see you guys on the next one.